What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I have something featured on the channel that I haven't featured in a long time, you guys. Right here, we have a rocket, and not just any rocket. This rocket is a sprinkler rocket, all right? So I haven't reviewed a sprinkler in a long time, you guys. So basically, when I was starting this channel, my first year of starting this channel, I was reviewing sprinklers like crazily. We was reviewing sprinklers like crazy. And now we are back. So I will be bringing sprinklers back on the channel, you guys. The weather is about to kick back to very, very hot temperatures. Right now it feels good today. It's about 80 degrees or so, but we are going to get into this. Now, I got this because I actually think that this looks pretty cool. And the box is light, you guys. Very, very light. Wanted to get something unique, something different. You may be able to place this in your garden or whatnot. The kids might like playing with this. You get stickers. I'm not going to put the stickers on. I have my kids do that, but I just wanted to get something fun and cool, so I'll get them to put the stickers on. All of this is plastic, okay? Everything here is plastic. And we get a quick connect. So you can either hook your quick connect up, or you can hook this directly up to your water hose. So we are going to try our quick connect. This do come with a washer. You get a washer right there. They didn't give you tape, so you can put your own Teflon tape on it. Threads on pretty tight, but we'll see if we need tape. All right, and for the most part, it looks like it just goes right on top. And this don't come with instructions, so let's check the full box. I didn't really, okay, so I didn't even look at the whole box, but on the side you get the steps. So we already hooked up the base and stuff, and basically saying just connect the water hose, insert the connector. Okay, so basically we did all of that. Place the rocket on the base, turn the rocket. Okay, so this is basically simple. Flat land may be your best bet. Y'all know my garden is flat, so I could put something like this in the garden and it won't matter. And we're going to see how much water come out. You might want your kids to play in the sprinkler, and this may be a cool thing that they could play with. Right here is the Eden quick connect. We're going to turn the water off, and it's off. So let's see if the Eden quick connect will work on this thing. I hope it works. Let's see. And it works. Snaps on. It locks in. Nice. All right, put that on there. We're going to get ready for some fun. Just going to do it lightly right now. All right, so it comes out. I'm going to do it full force. Okay, so full force don't work. Woo. All right, that was fun, you guys. But right now, I'll try one more time, you guys. Turn it on. Put a little force, not too much. And there we go. All right, you guys, there we go. It's actually turning. So that is pretty cool. That's awesome, you guys. This would definitely work in the garden area. All right, now for me to turn the water off, I have to turn it off here, but I'm gonna go to the side and turn it off. I have never seen nothing like that ever, you guys. Let's see if it went back down. No, Maybe if I would have released the pressure a little bit lighter, then it would have had a good landing. This is pretty fun, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Big hit right here. So it is what it is, right? All right, I'm gonna turn it on lightly over here, and I wanna see how high it goes. We're just having fun, you guys, right now, but y'all see that it works. Let's see. Okay, I can hear it. So it's not up that high. It actually landed back down. All right. Let's turn it up a notch. Oh, that was too high up. So this thing can't go that high up, you guys. I'm trying to get it to a sweet spot. The best thing for you to do is get a valve like this. I'll put one in the description if I remember. If I don't remember, remind me. I don't know how it twists. Maybe because this may rotate. But that's cool that it twists. I like that. Or it spins in the air. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on again. I'm going to use my action camera. That way it could get wet and nobody cares about it, right? All right, you guys, now I got y'all on the action camera. This is the first time the Insta360 will get wet, you guys. So we are going to break her in. Ah, I did it again. Too high. I'm getting too happy. I need to find a sweet spot. Now, why does phone keep coming up? Stay in there. All right, let's do this again. Don't do it too hard. Okay. I'm backing up quick because I'm not trying to get drenched. All right. That's pretty cool, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I want to tab it a little bit. Oh, it's going higher. Oh, it's going higher. It's by itself. Oh, it's going higher. All right, you guys, it actually went up at least 6 foot. It's going up higher than my height. So that's pretty cool. All right, you guys, so we are done. I'm done playing with the toy. So with half of my pressure, this stuff cover a lot of footage, okay? We're gonna get the actual factuals for y'all. All right, now this is with half pressure, you guys. Half of the pressure. I am 6 foot. We are 6 foot, and that was with half of the pressure. So y'all can see that the water coverage is extreme with this little rocket, and it covered, and the water, you know how sometimes when you get sprinklers, you don't get all of the coverage necessary. This is definitely a garden king. Well, a garden astronaut, whatever you want to call it. But this will be good for your garden, you guys, and that will be it. My son is already putting stickers on. He want to actually play in the sprinklers. So that will be all. If y'all got any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Oh! You're getting fast. Go, Eli, your turn. Whoa! Because of the grease.
It's one of the pieces.
Eli, turn it on lightly and wash your face. It's because of your hair.
Really good, really good.
This is more than enough power to lift it. And this is back
Showers are good.
Okay.
Oh, oh. Oh, wow.